Now, here's how you can make a new account on your Mac computer, right? So it kind of depends on what account you mean. Most likely, if you mean like a separate user of the Mac, you can go to the system settings as usual. And in the main section, you can scroll on the left panel, go below and find the menu, which is called users and groups like this. So you can click on it. You can see I have one guest user and also the admin, but I have the ability to add a user. So you can click on it like this. Make sure you type in the code, the password of the current admin computer, right? So you can get inside and like unlock these settings and you can create a new user, sort of like a new account. So you choose if it's going to be an admin or a standard one. This, of course, depends on how much privilege or how many options you want to give the account. You can give it the name, the account name, which will be used for the home folder, the password, and so on, right? So that's how you can do this and create a brand new account specifically for using this computer. So that's probably what you are looking for, but outside of that, you can as well go to the settings and internet accounts, and you can also just kind of like add a new account to the Mac in the sense that you sort of just sign in with like an internet account, which you will use on your computer. But I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe, and I'll see you later.